This is a short video to show you how to code folding mirrors on a BMW E Series. This is a BMW E93. So I've got the Carista dongle and I've got the app opened. So what you do with the dongle is you make sure that the dongle's plugged in. As you can see there, the light's on. Make sure your ignition lights are on. And go to customize. I've used the app before with the dongle, so it recognises the connection with the dongle. You might get a prompt saying choose the dongle, which one, Carista, or whichever one you have. It may work with other dongles, I cannot guarantee if it does or not. So now it's scanning the vehicle, it's scanning the different ECUs that are in the vehicle, and from that it'll offer me the options. As you can see, it says door, windows, remote, instrument, display, things, lights, heater and AC and other. So what we'll do is have a look at this one now. As you can see, the options are on there. So we're looking for the folding mirror options. As you can see, it's there. Auto full side view mirrors. Save. As you can see, it says yes, so that's done it. And what you want to do is put a delay on it. You want to put that 3-second delay because you don't want to fold them all the time. So you save that. So that's about it. So you can come out of there, take the key out, and if you have a look at the mirrors, I've locked it, and now if I keep my finger on it for over 3 seconds, the mirror should fold. As you can see, they're doing it. Now if I open it, thanks for watching.